Hello and welcome to today's discussion on a crucial topic in research, the differences between rationale and significance. Whether you're a student, researcher, or simply someone who is interested in the research process, understanding the difference between these two concepts is important in ensuring that your research project is well-designed and meaningful. We'll take a closer look at what rationale and significance mean in the context of research and how they differ from each other. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the topic of rationale and significance in research. The rationale is an essential component of any research project as it provides a clear and concise explanation of why the study is being conducted. When defining the rationale, it's important to consider the existing knowledge in the field and identify any gaps that the study will fill. This information is then used to justify why the research question is important and how the study will contribute to the existing literature. For example, if you're conducting a study on the impact of social media on mental health, your rationale might include a review of the existing literature and how it supports the need for further research in this area. You might also explain how your study will fill a gap in knowledge by looking at the topic from a different perspective or using a different research method. The significance of a study is equally important as it highlights the potential impact of the research on the field and society. It is an expression of why the study is valuable and what benefits it may bring. For example, if your study on the impact of social media on mental health finds that excessive use of social media is associated with increased anxiety and depression, the significance of the study could be that it informs public policy, changes the way individuals use social media, and leads to improved mental health outcomes. In summary, the rationale provides the reason for conducting a study, while the significance highlights the importance or value of the study and its potential impact on the field and society. These two concepts work together to ensure that the research project is well-designed, meaningful, and relevant. Now, let's apply these concepts to qualitative research using Genshin impact as an example. Imagine we are conducting a qualitative study to understand the player experience of Genshin Impact. The rationale for this study might be that while Genshin Impact has gained a massive following, there is limited research on the player experience of this type of video game. Our study aims to fill this gap in knowledge by exploring the motivations, challenges, and rewards of playing Genshin Impact. The significance of this study could be that it contributes to our understanding of the player experience of open-world video games, which can have implications for game design, player engagement, and the video game industry. For example, our study may find that players are drawn to Genshin Impact for its beautiful graphics and vast world, but face challenges in the game's gacha mechanics. This information could inform game designers on how to create games that balance the player's motivations and challenges for a more enjoyable experience. Let's take it a step further and add a specific character, Hu Tao, into our example. Our study could focus on the player experience of using Hu Tao, a 5-star character from Liwei in the game. The rationale for this study could be that while Hu Tao is a popular character among players, there is limited research on the specific experience of using her in the game. Our study aims to fill this gap in knowledge by exploring the strategies, challenges, and rewards of using Hu Tao in Genshin Impact. The significance of this study could be that it contributes to our understanding of player behavior in Genshin Impact and how players interact with specific characters. This information could inform game designers on how to create characters that are well-balanced and enjoyable to play with. Additionally, the study could also have implications for the player community, as it may provide insights into the most effective strategies for using Hu Tao, or highlight any challenges that players commonly face when using her. The rationale and significance of a study are important concepts in qualitative research and can help to ensure that the research project is well-designed and meaningful. The rationale and significance are crucial components of any research project that provide a clear explanation of the reason for conducting the study and the potential impact it may have. By understanding the rationale and significance, we can ensure that the research is well-designed, meaningful, and relevant. This discussion on rationale and significance has hopefully provided you with a deeper understanding of how these concepts can be applied in practice. Whether you're a student, researcher, or simply interested in the topic, I hope this video has been informative and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope to have the opportunity to share more knowledge with you in the future.